Good morning, students. I hope all of you fine. In English, we will finish Unit 1 activity, all the of Unit 1 and Unit 2 and all the activities Unit 2. So now, today we will start our Unit number 3. What is the titles of our Unit number 3? The Unit number 3 is Water for All. Then what is there? The water for all means water is everywhere and for all, means you and me, we, us, people, animals, birds, insects, plants, trees, okay, everywhere, and each and every needed water. Without water our life is can't survive. So water for all, you and me and for everyone. So in this unit we will learn everything related to water. Then how much portions of water is left on earth, there is how much water is on earth, in everything. In activity number 1 there is a water everywhere. So in this activity there is a declared that how much waters are on earth actually. So did you know there is a 126 and many 0 is remain there, that much water is on earth. Means what is meaning of that? See, if we notice that this is our earth, okay, there is a 1, 2, 3 and 4. If we divide this earth on particular this 4 part, like first part, second part, third and fourth part. So there is a inward part, also there is a water. Then second, there is also water. Then in the fourth, there is also water. Okay, and here just the only remain land. Only remain land means sea on earth. See all of you, on earth there is how much water is available on earth. Lots of water is there. But what is the reason is that? Then all we and you and all faces water scarcity. Water scarcity we will faces right now also. From too many previous years also we will face problems regarding the water. Then what is the issue for that? See, here all the waters are just as a not drinkable. Not drinkable means maybe it's in ocean, maybe it's in ocean. So all of you know which kinds of water is there on the ocean? That is a saline water. There is a saline or salty. Saline or a salty water is there in a ocean. Then another thing, the water is remaining here is on the form of glacier. On the form of glaciers. All of you know what is the meaning of glaciers? Glaciers means is in a ice form. Glaciers means in a ice stone. Ice stone means these glaciers in water is in the form of ice, which we can't able to use or we can't use as a drinking water in a use of our daily. So another water is on a ground level. Ground level water is there. So it is little bit useful, but we have to do many things for to get this water. We have to pit deep and deep. We have to pit for that. So from that process we get the pure water. Then another sources of pure water is what? The main is rain. The main is rain. Okay, the rain. Okay, the rain is the source of fresh water. Okay, rain is the source of a fresh water, and from this fresh water, our river is filled with this water, fresh water of rain. And the whole year we have to use that water in vegetations also, in drinking also, and our daily uses also. So only 1% of whole much ground level that water? Then another thing is in the form of ice. Okay, so we can't use of that. So water for all, and how much portions are there, it we will discuss it. So because there's less than 1/2 of 1%, how many waters are there? Only 1% are left out of 100. In out of 100, there is a 1% waters is we can able to use in our daily life also, in drinking also, and in factories and in plantations, in vegetations, in farming. Okay, in irrigations, everywhere we have to use the water of 1% from 100%, which is useful, and another water is not useful on the earth. So of earth's waters is drinkable. So you can see why we need to take care of our water. Okay, we need here to take care of our waters too. You may wonder why we don't just make the ocean salt water drinkable. Actually we do. How we do? It's called desalinations. Okay, see, it is called a desalination. See all of you, if there is a ocean and ocean water is a saline. Saline means salty. Saline means salty. Ocean water is a saline or a salty. So which process we have to do with this? Then we have to use the process of desalination. The process of desalination. What is this process? Okay, this process is to pure this unpure water and this saline water into the pure water. Okay, because ocean water is a saline, so we can't drink it, we can't drinkable it. So from the saline water we have to make it pure. So we use salination. Okay, we use desalination. Okay, we use desalination for the purpose of to pure the ocean's water. Understand all of you whatever I want to share with you? Then this process is of removing salt from the sea water so that people can use it. In this process, what actually happened in desalination? In desalations, we just remove the salt portions from the water and water is become pure. So it is useful for the people in uses. Then in fact, people have been making seawater drinkable since the times of the ancient Greeks. Okay, in the ancient Greeks also, the peoples are trying to make salty water in a pure water. Means they are doing some process of desalination. The process of desalinations, by this way of process, they are also the pure the ocean's water and make it pure to drinkable or for to use. Then another thing, the old way was to heat the water until turned to steam. Okay, whatever they done, they just giving steam. They just giving steam to the saline water until it turns into the stream. Then the stream would rise, leaving to the salt behind. Okay, salt behind, and it is become a pure. Then what is the happen? The steam would be cooled. Whenever the steam is on the roof, okay, see here are one container. Okay, one container, here are salty water. Okay, and here are we burn something. We burn a fire. And here we put one. And here the steam is go, and here it is work as a water form of a steam. All of you know steam. Okay, this thing. When we fire salty water, it's become steam, and steam is at the last become a form of a water of a drops. Water of a drops. So after this processing, we get the salty from the pure water. After this process, after firing the salty water, the salt is become here. Salt is at the last remain. Salt is remain here, and all the waters are boil is go here and stop at one place, and it is left with the salt here in the bowl. So whatever the water is here in the form of drops, it's become pure water. It's become a pure water in the form of steam, and after that it is freeze here. After that it is freeze here, and it become pure water for usable. Understands all of you whatever I want to share with you, whatever I want to tell you. Now, because of the need for so much fuel also, see, this method works well in small amounts, but heating the water to boil likes a lot of fuel. Okay, what is the problem is here? There is a saline water is too much, means ocean is a small? No, ocean is too much big, it is too much vast. You and me can't judge it, the water of salt, the water of ocean, it is salty. So whenever we burn this salty water, we give fire, it needs too much fuel, it needs too much fuel to burn the water. Okay, it is needed too much fuel to burn the water. So actually what happened, it's take us too much costly, and we can't afford it. The common person just can't afford this. So it is become too much costly because of the need for so much fuel. Desalination enough water for cities, states and nations is usually too costly. However, as technology improves now technologies are improved, we can improving in this process also, but there is also use of fuels are there, yes or no? Fuels are also equally used there to burn up water, to fire up water, to get the pure water. So fresh water becomes less plentiful. Scientists and engineering looks for new ways to make desalination less costly. Now what happened? In government there is so many changes are came. So the scientists and engineers wants to try to make this costly process. This process is too much costly to burn a water and try to make it a pure water, and it is used too much fuel to burn these and burn a fire and to make a water pure. So engineers and scientists are in thinking process that how much we decrease the cost of this and make a water pure in a less time. Okay, so this is in an ongoing process. So here in this activity number 1, we will see this. All of you see this desalination process. Okay, we have to do such things for this in desalination. Whatever there are activities, very first activities related to the water for all. There is a activities water everywhere. Water everywhere. So here are some questions related to this water for all. Then here one question is there, how much liter of water is there on our planet? Then 1, then 26, then write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Okay, 19 0 in between 1 26. Write 1 26 and 19 0. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 water. Liter, we write liters behind of this, and water is there on our planet. Okay, see question number 2. Why is drinking water scarce on our planet? All of we know the answers then, because it is in the form of glaciers, because all the waters are salty, so there is a less water which we can able to drink. Okay, so the drinking water is scarce on our planet because less than one half, one half of 1% of Earth's water is drinkable. Then question number 3, what is this pictures is about? The pictures is about desalinations of water. What is this pictures is about? This is the process of desalinations. All of you see about what is this pictures is about. This pictures is about this desalinations of oceans water. So this pictures is about desalination process. This includes all of you. I hope all of you understand that what we do today. So what is the meaning of desalination? Then the process of removing salt. Desalination process means to removing salt from to the ocean's water, and we done one process to pure that impure water. It is called desalinations. And what methods of making seawater drinkable in practice since the times of the ancient Greeks. Okay, in ancient times also there is a in ancient time also Greek people, there is no available of river, no available of there is a rainwater, so they are just turn such a kinds of water and done some processes with that, and they make this water pure. Okay, during the times of the ancient Greeks, people heat the waters and until it turned to steam, into the steams. Then they rise the salt is behind, and with this way they make the water drinkable. Sea water they make drinkable. Then the last one question is there, why could the methods of desalination not be practiced on a large scale? So this method works well in small amount, but heating the water to boil takes a lot of fuel. Okay, what is the reasons behind that? Because in this process is good to make salty water to pure water, to drinkable water. In future it is too much useful right now, because there is a scarcities of water, so we can use this method to pure the water, to make it pure water, but it is too much costly right now. So what is going there, then scientists and engineering is going to work on that particular thing, that how we can able to do the water pure, and it is make less costly, okay, and affordable to our government also, and at the last common peoples also, because whatever the oceans waters we have to change into impure water to pure water, saline water to desaline water, then it is take too much cost, and it is cost is given by at the last the government, okay, to provide the people the pure water. So it is costly for our government. So this process is on working, that how much cost is there. So it is a process, then we can pure the water impure to the pure. So I hope all of you understand that whatever we learn here, water everywhere in first activity is very nice activity. Okay, then we will discuss questions about the then process of desalination, then how we will translate the salty water into pure water. So I hope all of you understand it very well. Okay, so let me meet on the next class. We learn another activities with the enthusiastics. Okay, all of you. Hope all of you find all of you. Goodbye to all. Take care all of you.